You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Imagine stepping into your garden or kitchen and picking a handful of bright green leaves that taste like a refreshing mix of lemon and spinach. Zesty, nutritious, and incredibly easy to grow. That's the magic of sorrel. Most beginners overlook this powerhouse herb, thinking it's complicated or rare. But the truth is, sorrel is one of the easiest and most rewarding plants you can grow in the USA, whether you have a backyard, balcony, or just a sunny window. If you've ever struggled with plants that wilt, stop growing, or just don't taste as good as you expected, sorrel might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Sorrel is a perennial herb, meaning once you plant it, it keeps coming back year after year. That alone makes it a favorite among beginner gardeners who want something low maintenance yet highly productive. The leaves grow quickly, and you can harvest them again and again without damaging the plant. This continuous growth makes sorrel not just a plant, but a reliable source of fresh greens right at your fingertips to start your sorrel journey. Understanding the right growing environment is key. Sorrel thrives in cool to mild climates, which makes it perfect for many regions across the United States. It loves temperatures between 55 F and 75 F. In cooler northern states, it can grow throughout spring and summer, while in warmer southern states, it performs best in fall, winter, and early spring. This adaptability is one of the reasons why beginners find success with sorrel so quickly. Light plays an important role in how your sorrel grows and tastes. Ideally, sorrel enjoys full sun to partial shade. In cooler climates, full sun helps it grow faster and produce tender leaves. In hotter regions, a bit of afternoon shade prevents the leaves from becoming too sharp or bitter. If you're growing indoors, place your sorrel near a bright window that gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. If natural light is limited, a simple grow light can keep your plant thriving. Now let's talk about watering, one of the most common challenges for beginners. Sorrel prefers consistently moist soil, but not waterlogged conditions. The key is balance. Water your plant when the top inch of soil feels dry, but make sure excess water can drain away easily. Using a container with drainage holes is essential if you're growing indoors or on a balcony. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause leaves to wilt and lose flavor. Keeping the soil evenly moist ensures strong, healthy roots and vibrant growth. Soil quality is another factor that directly affects your success. Sorrel grows best in rich, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. Mixing compost into your soil before planting provides essential nutrients and improves moisture retention. This creates the perfect environment for roots to expand and absorb nutrients efficiently. For container gardening, a high-quality potting mix combined with compost works beautifully. Feeding your sorrel plant doesn't have to be complicated. Because it grows quickly, it benefits from occasional fertilizing. A balanced liquid fertilizer applied every 2 to 3 weeks can boost growth and keep leaves lush and tender. Organic options like compost tea or fish emulsion are excellent choices for beginners, as they are gentle yet effective. Pruning and harvesting are where sorrel truly shines. As the plant grows, you regularly trimming the outer leaves encourages new growth from the center. This not only keeps your plant productive, but also prevents it from becoming overgrown. If you notice flower stalks starting to appear, remove them immediately. This process, known as deadheading, helps the plant focus its energy on producing leaves rather than seeds. For the best flavor, harvest young, tender leaves, as they have the perfect balance of tanginess and freshness. One of the most exciting things about growing sorrel is how forgiving it is. Even if you make small mistakes, the plant often recovers quickly. However, there are a few common problems to watch out for. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or poor drainage. Adjusting your watering routine usually solves the issue. If leaves become tough or overly sour, it may be due to high temperatures or too much direct sunlight. Providing partial shade can restore the plant's balance. Pests are generally not a major concern for sorrel, but occasionally you might see aphids or small insects. A simple rinse with water or a mild soap solution can take care of them without harming the plant. Keeping your growing area clean and well ventilated also helps prevent pest problems. Another tip that can significantly improve your results is succession planting. By sowing new seeds every few weeks, you ensure a continuous supply of fresh sorrel leaves throughout the growing season. This is especially useful for families who enjoy cooking with fresh herbs regularly. Sorrel is not just easy to grow, it's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its tangy flavor adds brightness to salads, soups, sauces, and even smoothies. It pairs beautifully with fish, chicken, and eggs, making it a favorite among home cooks who love experimenting with fresh ingredients. Once you start growing sorrel, you'll find yourself reaching for it more often than you expected. For those living in colder climates, sorrel can easily be grown indoors during winter. A simple pot placed near a sunny window is enough to keep it thriving. With consistent watering and occasional feeding, you can enjoy fresh greens even when it's snowing outside. What makes sorrel truly special is the confidence it builds in beginner gardeners. Watching it grow, harvesting your own food, and tasting the freshness creates a sense of accomplishment that inspires you to grow more plants. It becomes the starting point of a larger gardening journey. And here's something most people don't realize. Once you successfully grow sorrel, you unlock the foundation of understanding plant care. Light, water, soil, and nutrients, all the basics become clear through this one simple plant. It's not just about growing sorrel, it's about growing your skills and confidence. So whether you're starting with a small pot on your windowsill or a dedicated garden bed, sorrel is the perfect choice to begin. It's simple, rewarding, and incredibly satisfying. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.